Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another practical Windows tutorial today to enhance your online privacy. In this video, we're diving into how to set up a VPN on Windows 11, a secure way to protect your internet connection, perfect for browsing safely on public Wi-Fi or accessing restricted content. We'll go through the process step by step. I'll show you how to connect, and I'll share some tips for smooth usage. Alright, let's get started with adding a VPN connection. First, open the Settings app, press Windows key, and I to launch it quickly. Tap Network and Internet, then scroll down and tap VPN on the right. Click Add VPN under VPN Provider. Select Windows Built-in, then name your connection, like My VPN. Enter the server address, get this from your VPN provider. Type it in and choose the VPN type, like automatic. Then add your username and password. Click Save and hit Connect. Enter your credentials if prompted and wait for the connection to establish. To test, open a browser, visit a site. Your IP should now reflect the VPN server's location, not yours. A tip: if the VPN doesn't connect, double-check your server details and ensure your internet is stable, or contact your VPN provider for help. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments if you use a VPN. I'd love to hear your experience. See you in the next video.